Hello PowerPoint users and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create this beautiful infographic animation using PowerPoint. So, let's get started. Let's first start with Design section. As usual, let's first go to View tab and enable the guides. Next go to Insert tab, select Shapes, and then draw a rectangle shape with rounded corners. Remove its outline. Duplicate this shape using Ctrl+D. Take off its corner roundness, and then rotate this shape by 45 degrees. Let's change its fill color and then align its corner edges as shown. Increase its width to completely cover the bottom shape, then select both these shapes and subtract them together. Next, rotate this shape by 180 degrees, and then let's start aligning them in required pattern. At first, let's change its fill color using eyedropper tool, and then duplicate it using Ctrl+D. Let's change its fill color using eyedropper tool. Rotate it by 90 degrees and then align it to first shape as shown. Make sure to maintain the continuity along the edges. Next, again duplicate this shape using Ctrl+D. Change its fill color using eyedropper tool. Rotate it by 90 degrees and then align it to second shape as shown. It is very important to maintain the continuity along the edges. Let's continue to duplicate these shapes, change their fill color using eyedropper tool, rotate them by 90 degrees, and align them to maintain the continuity along the edges. Looks perfect so far. Next, drag and select all these shapes and then align them to center of slide. Now right-click on the first shape, choose Format Shape, select Effects option, and then apply Outer Shadow effect. Increase distance to 10 points, set transparency to 50%, and blur value to 15 points. Next, apply similar shadow effect to all other shapes with same distance, transparency, and blur values, but make sure to match the shadow effect direction with each triangle orientation. Finally, apply solid dark color to slide background. Next, let me go to second slide and then quickly add all text fields and PNG icons on this design. Make sure to change the font colors and distribute these text elements around the design as shown. Let me speed up to save time. So here is the final preview of this beautiful infographic design. Hope you all liked it. Next, we will jump into animation section. As usual, let's first go to Animation tab and then enable the animation pane. To start with, let's duplicate first slide. And then let's go back to first slide and delete the heading text. Also select each of the title text fields and then delete them. Now, as an important step, let's drag each shape and its PNG icon out of slide area but make sure to drag them in the direction of triangle shape orientation as shown. Next, select the second slide, and then select all these title text fields. Once selected, go to Animation menu and apply Fade Animation. Now select the first animation under Animation pane, and then start it after previous. Finally, select both the slides. Go to Transitions menu, and then apply Morph Transition. All set. So here is the final preview of this beautiful animation. Hope you all liked it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Stay tuned for next tutorial.